Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the battery option. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down again to find this option, show battery percentage, which is in my case turned on. If you've got it turned off, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher and your device will immediately show the battery percentage inside the battery indicator, and this is the only way to show battery percentage in this device. So you cannot, for example, show it next to the battery icon, only inside. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.